welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. It is Happy Mail time. I got my box for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. So let's open it up and see what I got. Okay. No, do I have anything up here to open the box? Do I have a knife? No, but I have scissors. Okay, scissors not working out. Okay, scissors not working. Wrong tool for the job. Oh my god, okay. Give me a hot minute so I can open this package. Everything. Okay, there we are. I suppose before I get into the box, I just maybe have a few projects sometimes I have in mind before I look at the yarn, and it never works out. I was thinking even though I've been only regularly putting videos out for the last 2 years, I did put out a feeler video just to give me an idea what it would be like 4 years ago, and it's not that good. It's pretty bad. Actually, I was making the mock broomstick lace, which was after I did that after watching another video. So I'll have that video when I redo that. If I redo that project, the mock broomstick lace, then I will link my original video and probably the video that I watched. So that was one thing I was thinking. It's depending on the yarn. I was thinking also of making, it might be a shawl or a blanket or something, of making similar along this lines. Probably if you've seen my Scrubby Sunday video, you have seen this. Instead of making little squares, make like little circles of like it has 12 double crochets in a circle, and maybe it's surrounded by chain 3s around the outside. Kind of like make like little yo-yos, little circles, and put those together, which sounds like a lot of work. And if you've seen last month's project, that was a lot of work. So whatever I do, I don't want to stress myself like I did with that last one. But anyway, just some thoughts. Or I could do another basket. Okay. So you're all waiting to see what's in the box. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, there is a letter that says, "Happy Halloween, Julie, your yarny friend, Sean." Boo it up. It's big. Oh, there's a whole lot of... Look at these yarns. Is for you, not for the challenge. Saw that you're doing Scrubby Sunday. Also, this person is one of the, actually watches my videos and stuff. Okay, it says, look forward to seeing what you make with these yarns. And then there's going to be a purple tissue roll in here. It is not for the challenge. I guess the person saw that Sean has seen that I'm doing a Scrubby Sunday. And hope you're doing well. Hope you like purple. Yeah, yes, I like purple. I love purple. Seems to be the color I went with. The reused yarn I received in my box last month. The reused yarn I received in my last month box. And it's not my favorite, so passing it on. LOL. Hey, if it's purple, I'm definitely into purple. Alright. Okay, well they said... Ooh, there is definitely some purple. Well, it said that this tissue is not part of the challenge, so we'll come back to that. And we'll also come back to the goodie box, the goodies that are not yarn related. Oh. Okay. Ah, yes, there's definitely purple in here. we got some soft and shiny. And this is Loops and Threads, which I am very familiar with Loops and Threads because it's at Michael's, and I go to Michael's. That's my big box store of choice right now because it is a very short drive away. I'm a short distance away from Michael's, and on a good day it's so short that I could actually walk there if I want to. So anyway, I don't think this is a full skein, but if it was a full skein, let's see. Okay, it is a size 4 medium weight yarn. Okay, oh there you are. I was looking for the yardage. It's right here. A full skein of this is 200 yards or 4 ounces. 190 meters, 113 grams. But I love the color name. Let's guess the color name of this is Teenage Dream. And it's got purple in it. Well, there are all sorts of purple. We have Red Heart with Love. So, yeah, this is Gumball. Where are you at? Well, I got the color first. The color is Lavender Ivy. Lavender Ivy. There you are. This is a 4.5 ounce ball, or 127 grams. 180 yards, or 164 meters. Okay. Let's see. Some more purple. Oh my god. There's 2 of them in here. It says, I'm not sure if these are full skeins, but anyway. I love this yarn. I don't get to Hobby Lobby that often because I go to Michael's because it's only a 5-minute drive. Not that, okay, Joann's, and I can still easily drive to Joann's or Hobby Lobby within, it's under 15 minutes drive. But anyway, I digress. I love this yarn. I think these are both ombres. Okay, I'm trying to find Made in Turkey. Where are my information? I can't. Okay, there we are. These both would be 5 ounce balls. 140 grams, 251 meters. No, 251 yards, or 230 meters. So I have 2 of those. Right, and I have, it is respun. It is 100% recycled. I think I've never had this before. So let's see. Okay, this ball, I'm assuming if it's a full skein, it's 10 ounces, 284 grams, 658 yards, or 602 meters. Oh, okay. Oh, so we want a machine wash gentle cycle or tumble dry low, which means this could potentially felt maybe if we were to wash it like I wash it. I'm not, when it comes to washing these, I'm not usually very nice to them. Oh, the color, I'm sorry, color is Hazelwood. Okay, and I think this one, I believe, would be the same information. Uh, 10 ounce ball. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's the same information. 10 ounce ball, 284 grams, 658 meters, or 658 yards, or 602 meters. So this color is raisin. Are you purple? Hold on. Sorry, I'm changing. Now, I probably should, yeah, if the lighting just suddenly changed, and I'm like, oh my god, that is like a purple. That is very nice. I like that purple. So anyway, now that is all that is the projects for that I get for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. Okay, so I guess before I open the box, the two suggestions I had thought of I could do that. I can make a whole bunch of little yo-yos, and I can probably time it out so that is done by about this time next month. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Oh, I forgot. This is in there too. Or even what I was initially thinking would work. So anyway, time to open the extra goodies. So let me put this box, I'm going to put this box down. Get this out of the way. So this is the purple tissue that is not part of the challenge. Being that he mentioned Scrubby Sunday, I have a feeling that this could be cotton yarn. And it is. It is cotton yarn. Ooh. This is sugar and cream. Oh, this has got... It is sugar and cotton cream scrub. Because it has that little... Oh, it has that scrubby texture in it. So, oh, okay. So I'm assuming these are both the same. It is, oh, I think the color's papaya. These are 2.6 ounce balls, or 75 grams, 106 yards, or 97 meters. Oh, there is a pattern. I'll have to look at the label. So, alright, so those are that. So yeah, that is very good, because this will definitely be used. These will definitely be used for Scrubby Sunday. Right. So I'll put that down. So all I got left now is what's in the goodie bag. Yep. Well, that is one store I have never been to yet, and that is IKEA. Don't live anywhere near an IKEA store. Closest one to me might be in Kansas City. That's if Kansas City has an IKEA. I'm pretty sure they do. Alright, I digress. So yeah, I got this cute little, oh, I love this. It's got a pencil bag, and you can totally see, some might see the goodies. Oh, they're avocados. Okay, there's two zippers on here, so I'm trying to think if I need to open both zippers. Or are they both? Okay. Oh, are you stuck? Right, this one was kind of stuck on the inside. Not intended for food use. Yarn is the bee's knees. Look at that. I got that in there. I'm assuming it's a coaster. It feels like it's a stone and that it's a coaster. So that is cute. Right, I think for now I'm going to put this back in that. And holy moly, feel like Halloween has come. I got a Kit Kat in here. Some Reese's. There's an Almond Joy. Ooh, Hershey's candy bar. Tootsie Pop. Oh, my husband will eat this one. York peppermint patty. He loves those. Well, we were just at the grocery store today, and they were handing... Oh, I'm trying to think. What organization hands out Tootsie Rolls? Drawing a blank. You know, there's a charity, an organization that hands out Tootsie Rolls. Anyway, they were handing out Tootsie Rolls. You can let me know in the comments which organization hands out Tootsie Rolls. Oh, and another Tootsie Roll. Let's see what else we got in here. Stickers. Journal. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to think. Okay, I got a journal. But I think there's stickers attached. Okay, I think there's more stickers attached to the... Okay, I'm trying to think... Okay. I think the stickers are attached to the journal. Okay, and that covers everything. Well, I want to thank my recipient. Thank Sean for the goodies this month, for the goodies and the extra yarn that's going to help out the homeless veterans. Let me get one go. Oh, fell on the floor. Okay. So I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet. I'm seriously considering the 2 items that I had just mentioned. So if you did, you'll have to stay tuned if you want to see what I make, which route I go. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.